What's up, guys? My name is Marcos, and today we're unboxing the Revvl 4 Plus. This one's T-Mobile branded, but it's actually for Metro by T-Mobile, so I'm guessing it's the same thing. This one comes in a black box, and it's a new device that just launched. And pretty much not much going on in the box, but let's get started. Before we get started, actually, please subscribe to the channel as we do unboxings. And I'm your cell phone guy, so if you have any questions, I'll try and answer in the comments below. So let's get started. Let's unbox this bad boy. All right, so here we have the device, the Revvl 4 Plus. It's comes with a Type-C charger. Pretty much not much going on in the box, but there's the phone, pretty much, and what's inside the box. So let's turn it on, see what it's all about. All right, so we have both phones here. We have the Revvl 4 Plus and the Revvl 4. Main difference on the Revvl 4 Plus, it's a 6.52 HD display. Bigger battery. It does have 4,000 milliamp battery. 16 megapixel camera on the back. Dual camera, so dual 16 megapixel camera on the back. And the front facing, we do have a 5 megapixel camera in the front. So same as the front facing, same camera on the front on the Revvl 4 and Revvl 4 Plus. All right, so here we have the Revvl 4 Plus. Beautiful 6.52 HD display. Front facing camera, 5 megapixel camera. At the bottom, we do have the Type-C charger, speakers, and microphone. On the left, we do have the SIM card slot. You can also add an SD card. You just got to poke that out. On the right side, we do have the magenta power button and volume rockers. On the top, we do have the headphone jack and another mic. So very nice. Like I said, this does have a dual 16 megapixel camera and fingerprint sensor in the back. So very similar to the Revvl 4, just a little bigger. So they did a little better with this phone. It is running Android 10. It also does come with a 4,000 milliamp battery, and I believe it has more memory. So let's see if we can figure that out. So out of the box, it does come with 64 gig memory built in. Software uses about 13 gigs of memory, so you have about, 50 something gigs available for usage. So very nice. So good thing they added more memory to this one since it's a little bigger, better camera and stuff like that. This phone retails for $189. So the Revvl 4 retails for $120. This is a little higher end compared to the Revvl 4, $120 versus $189. But you do get double the you get double the memory. You get bigger screen, double cameras, and very nice phone. One cool thing about this device, I did find out that it does have face key, where you can unlock your phone with your face, which is pretty cool. Let me see if I can set mine up. And let me see if I can test it real quick. So let's see if it really works. All right, so I quickly scanned my face, and I'm gonna try and unlock it now. See if it unlocks. All right, so it's pretty fast. It did unlock it. So I'm just standing in front of the phone, and it did unlock the face or the front page. So and if I wasn't in front of it, it wouldn't unlock. Let's see if we can get it to not unlock. So if I didn't, you can set up your pin and then unlock it that way. So if you weren't standing in front of it, so pretty cool. Another upgrade on this device, so bigger battery. You can add up to 256 gigs of external SD card memory, and it's rocking a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 1.8 gigahertz octa-core, so an octa-core processor. So yeah, for $189, I think it's a better phone. Still pretty entry level, but nice processor, more memory, and it's a solid device. One of my favorite tests. Check out the screen, check out the video, check out the sound. So let's see if we can get this. So very nice display. You can pinch to zoom on Android 10 now. So if I were to go like this, it would use the whole screen now, which is something new on Android 10. But very nice display, super clear. $189, I think it's well worth it. Sounds really good, very clear. Sorry, I didn't bring my tripod, so I'm recording with one hand. But just doing a quick unboxing on the Revvl 4 Plus. So sound is good. Display colors are really good. Let me snap a couple pictures of Canelo, see how the camera works. So I was able to snap some pictures of my boy Canelo. You can tell that the camera is a little better on this one. It's a little brighter compared to the Revvl 4. So this one kind of, you can tell that the colors are a little better. So Canelo's over there posing for the pictures. So yeah, totally way better camera. Portrait mode was this one. I think portrait mode was this one. So very nice. There we go. So quick unboxing on these two new devices just launched with Metro by T-Mobile. Revvl 4, I did a video on it as well. And then the Revvl 4 Plus is what we just unboxed. So 6.22 display, 6.52 HD display on both. One camera versus two camera, 16 megapixel versus 13 megapixel camera. So very entry level phones, 189, 120. So just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Like I said, my name is Marcos, and before we go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as we're 700 plus subscribers strong, and we do a lot of unboxings on this channel. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.